Welcome. In this video, I'll be covering the computer version of Token Pocket, and this is actually one of the three most popular wallets used in VERITAS Vault project. So I'll be covering the wallet, how to get started, how to activate it, as well set it up, as well as how to activate yourself in the VERITAS Vault project. So, Token Pocket. We already have a Trust wallet, I already have Metamask, and this is actually Token Pocket. Honestly, never used Token Pocket, but it's time to learn for myself, as well as share it with you guys, as it is one of the three popular wallets in Veritas Vault project. So you're going to go to Chrome Web Store, which is chromewebstore.google.com. Then you're going to type in a Token Pocket. You have to type it in correctly, because otherwise with any spelling errors will not pull up. When you pull it up, then what you want to do is you want to verify that it's tokenpocket.pro and it has a verified seal. After you do so, you're going to click on Token Pocket icon, which will open the Token Pocket and give you a little bit some information about it, and then you're going to add to Chrome. You're going to hit add extension and allow it to download as it is right now, and then after the download complete, we will add it and pin it to the top. So now we have it added to the top, so all we have to do is hit pin, and right now, as you see, we are taken to a Token Pocket page where we can set up our wallet. So create wallet. If you have 12-word phrase, you can import it and follow instructions there, but we'll be creating our wallet. Here we will be creating a password, and we're going to be creating a wallet, which I always create the first account. I don't use it usually, but you know, you can use your account 1 to whatever you wish, but we will be creating inside a second account, which will be making a dedicated account to the project. Reason why I create dedicated accounts, because see, when we go sign these contracts, these encrypted contracts, we do not know what's inside the contract and what are we giving access to. And if you have multiple projects that you connect to the same wallet to, if any of those projects have access and able to withdraw funds from your wallet, you don't even know which one out of those will turn out to be a bad apple. But if you have a dedicated and you only hold the amount that you need for that project, that means that the worst case scenario, they have access to your wallet, they'll be able to only take that amount and not everything that you own. And that's a very smart approach to do so. Second, you know, if there's somehow, some way scammers get access to your wallet, they're only going to impact that one wallet instead of, and take only what's in that wallet compared to taking everything that you have in crypto. That's why I do dedicated wallets for each project. So I'm going to create a dummy password, and we're going to recreate the password again, and then we're going to hit next. Important: anyone who obtains your recovery phrase can control your asset. So the system will automatically generate a recovery phrase. We're not going to copy. Oops, already. Either way, this is just a wallet for illustration purposes, but I'm not going to be using this wallet. But you will want to actually go and record every single word in the order it is in. So number 1, number 2, number 3, and when you have to restore your wallet, you'll be doing the same way. You'll be reinstalling in that order as you wrote them down. So by completing your backup later, I'll do it, because otherwise I'll have to verify the words that I don't have. Recovery phrase is backed up, confirm skip, but in your case, please back up, because that is the only way you'll be able to have and recover your wallet if for whatever reason your device for some reason failed. So go to wallet. So now we're at the wallet. New version, support the SU network. You know, I will do the new version, probably do the same thing. So now we have account 1. And right now we're going to, remember I said we're going to create a dedicated wallet. So we're going to add account. And actually, no, not account, because we need to create add wallet, sorry. So, so we're going to create wallet, recover phrase, backup later, confirm. Now we have the wallet created, right there. So I found the wallet name. So yeah, so you would actually click, when you enter the wallet, you would click on the 2 dots, edit wallet name, and you would assign the project name, which in our case would be VVA, space, and the name of the person of the wallet, which I'll put a name, otherwise I would put in Slavic. So confirm. So now we have our wallet. If we go to our wallets and we open the other wallets, we would have dedicated wallet for this particular project. So we would actually hide that, and we, with the wallet 2, we would have actually dedicated project. So we click on it, and now we will manage Our next step is, after we're done with renaming the wallet and backing up our wallet with the 12 key phrase, what we're going to do, we're going to right now manage assets. So we're going to go and hit on a plus. Then we're going to go to add custom tokens, and we're going to add couple custom tokens. First, we're going to select the BNB Smart Chain. Then we're going to add the token information. And as you guys can see, when we added the token address, and I'll have this address added to my website so you guys can actually get it from my website, you guys will have a token symbol. We will import automatically, as well as import token and decimal point. When all that information is correct, you're going to hit add. We're going to repeat the process for other VVA token and SVVA token. Some token, then go to change Bitcoin to Binance chain. We're going to go to my website, where it's slavicd.com/VVA. You're going to go to income, VERITAS VAULT, sign up instructions, and part 2, wallet setup, which will take you to wallet setup. You're going to scroll down to 215, and it's going to be 214 for DAO when I add the DAO token address. So we're going to copy right now the 215, the address for the VVA token, and we're going to import the token address. And as the address it is correct, it will automatically import VVA and will import the token decimal point, and all you're going to hit add. Now we have the DAO, we have the VVA, and we have the BNB. So we're going to hit one more time plus, and we're going to add one more token, which is going to be SVVA. So we're going to change it again to BNB chain. We're going to go to the website section 218. We're going to copy the staked VVA token address. Go back to token pocket, import the address, and if the address is correct, you should see SVVA 9 decimal point, and you're going to hit add. So now we have our main tokens added. So we have the VVA, SVVA, we have the DAO, we have a BNB. So step 2, according to my website, we're done. Step 3 is importing funds. So now, because you're going to import funds from, I'm not sure from where and through what sources, so you have here, you pretty much on your own, or you ask for help, or you talk to your sponsor to help you out. But I pretty much transfer through Paul, majority for my people that I sign up. But when we complete that, we're going to want to do is swap. And I am not familiar with the token pocket swapping, but I'm guessing probably be the same as a Trust Wallet and Metamask. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the token we want to swap to. So we're going to actually, oh, we can do that. So we're going to hit swap. And we're going to select from a source we're going to swap from. So let's say you're bringing in token from Polygon, and we're going to, come on, and we're going to swap to BNB. So we have on Binance chain, we have a BNB token, and pretty much here we have to put in a receiver address, which, so you would have to go to Token Pocket and actually copy your address. So by copying the address, what you'll be doing is receive, and you're going to receive your BNB. So not now. We're gonna copy this address right here, and this is where, so pretty much copy address, and then we're gonna go and we paste that recipient address. So we said that's sufficient, but then pretty much we would proceed after we agree to all of that transaction. Now just think, just imagine you already have your BNB. So after you have your BNB, you're gonna leave $2 according to my website. So what you want to do, you want to have about 2 to 5 BNB in the US dollars value, and then pretty much rest you want to have that in DAI. So pretty much you're going to do is have at least $110 in DAI. Of course you can start with as little as $10, but then unless you have $100 value in SVVA stake, your sponsor is not going to get any commissions on your staked amount that you can earn every 8 hours. So just for the respect of your sponsor, please come in with, you know, at least 110 DAI. So after you get your wallet set up, and then you're going to swap from your BNB to DAO, the amount, and leaving a BNB with $2 to $5, and then pretty much have everything else in DAO. Now the next step is step 4, and according to my website, which this is designed for Trust Wallet on your mobile, you will be obtaining your sponsor link. So what you're going to do, you're going to go and copy your sponsor link from wherever they're going to send you, and you're also going to verify their last 2 digits of their wallet address to make sure that you have the right sponsor link. You're going to open up a new browser, and you're going to paste your sponsor's link. You're going to verify that you got the right sponsor's link with their last couple digits of their wallet address, and you're going to open it in a browser. Of course, I have multiple wallets, so one of the wallets wanted to immediately open up and connect. So after you paste it and you open, what you first going to do is verify that you have a sponsor's address. And next thing, what you're going to do, you're going to hit Connect Wallet. You're going to select Token Pocket, since that's the wallet we're working with. And as you see, Token Pocket just popped up. And I like it. It says only connect with sites you trust. Make sure that it is your wallet that you're connecting, and hit Connect. After connection is complete, you will see your last 3-4 digits here in the wallet bar. As you can see, B8B0 is our wallet address. Now what you're going to do, you're going to go by VVA. You're going to hit maximum and importing your DAI. And I'll show you how much you will see in VVA, and you're going to hit swap tokens. As tokens are complete, by paying fees, your DAI will disappear to 0, and now you will have a VVA. Next part, what you're going to do, you're going to go back one more time to App Dashboard and verify your sponsor's address one more time. This is very crucial, because the next step that you're going to do will activate you under the address, whoever's the wallet address is here. And we do not want to get attached to the company's wallet address, especially. So we're going to go to stake. We're going to hit maximum. We just swapped the VVA, the DAO to VVA. So right now, VVA, we're going to hit maximum, and we're going to hit stake. And we're going to have again pop up, and we're going to pay the fees to stake. When we hit stake, you will immediately show up, and the transaction complete, you will immediately show up in your sponsor's tree. So you're going to verify one more time that you finally still have the right address here showed up. You can see we no longer have the address showing up here in the address bar. That means address could change. So we're verifying that we still have the right sponsor's address. And the sponsor can actually verify that you are in their sponsor tree. After all that verification is complete and you have staked, your stake will show up under 24-hour holding balance, and you will have that VVA balance that you swapped and then show up here. You will have right now here. You're still going to be gray in your sponsor's tree. You're not going to turn green. The next part, what you need to do is wait 24 hours, and when 24 hours are up, you're going to come and hit claim and pay the fees. After you hit claim, your amount from 24 hours will be transferred over to your current stake as VVA amount. I want to see something for you guys to understand. If you added more currency within that last 24 hours, you will have to restart your 24 hours count from your last final stake. And when that is done, you're going to claim it. It will be transferred to your SVVA. Now you're active, and if you have a minimum of 100 US dollars in SVVA token, you will turn green for your sponsor, and your sponsor will start immediately earning referral rewards. Now, as soon as you stake your tokens, you will start receiving rebate rewards, which will show you, which will not show here until you claim it, but you will start earning those rewards, which when you hit claim, you will immediately notice that they've been added to your balance when you staked it. So that is very simple. Now, there's also a calculator that you want to play around with and kind of get an idea how all this works and how much you can make in X amount of time. So you would put in the either a value of SVVA from your stake amount or your dollar amount. I recommend doing it 0.4%, as the amount percentage can fluctuate for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and calculate, and you will see what your money will look in that time period on that average percentage that you chose. So thank you, be blessed, and welcome to Veritas Vault.